The way Pineapple Beach works is they do their housekeeping every other day. So we just got our room cleaned and we're gonna go have a look. Let's go. So this is a beautiful entrance, the way up to our room. Beautiful colors. Nice little seating area here for you as well. Take a seat in between if you want and rest. Also, it's themed turtles. There's some turtles on the wall, which I love. So the room was literally just cleaned. So I'm gonna take my shoes off here so I don't get it too sandy. And let's come on in. Welcome. We are in the upgraded garden view room and I'm gonna show you around a little bit. So here is our lovely bed. It's super, super, super comfy. As you can tell, I love this bed. I get lots of rest in here and it's super cozy. Also comes with a nice light comforter, which is great so you don't sweat out the bed. All right, so this is the beautiful scenery here. If you want to take a seat and actually sit and have some nice seating time and watch some TV, you can take a seat here as well. Just chill as well, have some wine if you like, put it on your table and watch a little bit of TV. What I love about this resort is they give you a lot of space for your clothing, so you can put your clothing in here. To be honest with you, I don't put my clothing in here to put in my luggage, but you can if you like. Also, another great addition is our mirror. We have a nice, beautiful mirror here, which you can take beautiful pictures in. Now, walking over here with me, first we'll do the closet and then we'll go on into the bathroom. The reason why I like this resort is the closet is huge. We have our luggages in here. It's a little bit messy, but we have our luggages in here and we have our safe. Our safe is controlled by a key. So make sure you do not lose your key, but it's relatively safe as there is no code. On this side here, we also have an ironing board. So a full ironing board if you need to use that with an iron as well. All right, to the fun part, the washroom. So I love this washroom because it has nice LED lights. So if you need a lot of light to put on your makeup or get ready, that's there for you. If you come on in, it's a pretty large shower, which I love. It's nice and open, but you can stay nice and warm as the water gets quite heated. The countertop is also very large, so if you're like me and have a lot of products, clearly you want the space. Here we have our area with a coffee pot, and we have our little refrigerator, which is great if you want to keep any snacks in there. All right, on to the patio. Michael and I spend so much time on the patio when we're away because we love to be out in the nature and sometimes we like to do morning workouts. So the patio is huge for us to enjoy. Also, if you just want to take a nice seat and look at the garden view, we also do that. But one thing I really love about this room is that you get some beach views, which is great. So if you look over here, you can see the beach, you'll hear the waves, and you'll really enjoy. It's really a nice vibe and you get a lot of relaxation. If you found this video to be helpful, please like the video. And if you want more travel experiences, then press subscribe.